I don't know.
You just say eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I love you.
This one's blueberry, right there. The one straight down, that's beige, is maple.
I like this one. Okay.
Okay, that's a good one. I like it.
Thank you. You're welcome.
David? Yeah. Look at, oh, we've got big choice. You like maple?
I like chocolate.
Okay.
Chocolate is good. Mitzi, what could be your favorite today?
Oh my goodness. I'm really drawn to this pink.
Okay.
I love it. I love it. They know. Which one is